Hey, what's up, my beautiful people? And I guess you're wondering, how did we get here? My name is Avi, and let's recap.
Shoot! I want some artwork here that fantastic, important Oaklanders. AV has been added.
So this all went down at Oakland Creates 2025 Art, Comics, and Zine Fest. But first, let's rewind. Oakland Creates started as a pop-up in my friend's basement in 2015. Shout out to my day ones that are still tabling with me. It's been an amazing 10-year run, and I was so excited to celebrate with everyone in 2025. That means making new badges, new lanyards, new swag bags, lots of fun new merch, and even for the first time ever having a zine reading as a lead up to the festival. Big ups and thank you to Chen and the Berkeley Public Library. So grateful to all the readers.
Pronounce your last name for me.
It's such an honor to provide space for folks who may have not tabled or read their zines in public before.
When I was little, I didn't know that that's what my mom was singing to me when it was time to change from my clothes to my pajamas. That's how I changed my pajamas. I had no idea the history.
It's such a labor of love and even a blessing. It's not really work when you love what you do.
Who is this year's guest of honor at Oakland Creates 2025? As I said before, Awan has been tabling at Oakland Creates since 2015. So let's give a big welcome to Awan. We belong. It's called the Black Pride Cookout Hanky Code in space.
So amazing to gather together and build community and make new friends. And it seems like Oakland Creates 2025 got here so fast. Shout out to Janae. Shout out to my friends that helped volunteer to cover the tables. Shani, Roxana, James, too many to name. Thank you so much. And a big thank you and big ups to Eugene for offering a paint pen workshop for the first time. South Berkeley Public Library for offering library cards and giving out amazing swag. My friend Carrie, who recorded this panel for the first time. You can check it out on my channel. I'll be posting those soon.
Born in the South, raised on Long Island, college in New England. I never thought. I came out here because academia makes you.
And that brings us back full circle to this crazy, crazy day and me getting this amazing plaque from my friend.
I want some artwork here that fantastic, important Oaklanders. AV has been added.
Thank you so much. I'm so grateful. My heart is so full, but you guys didn't make me cry. You didn't do it, but I appreciate you so much. Thanks so much for watching. Comment, like, and share. Make sure to subscribe. You are amazing. Have an awesome day, and I'll see you in the next video.